Well, the conflict in the Middle East is becoming more and more intense by the day. And now, sadly, the US has confirmed a tragic development. Another American soldier who was critically injured in an Iranian attack has died, increasing the total number of the US military personnel's casualty as 8. Now, the incident is being seen as a serious blow for the US military as tension across the region it continued to rise. Welcome to Times XP's war coverage. According to the United States Army, the soldier was wounded during a major Iranian strike on American forces stationed in Saudi Arabia earlier this month. Well, despite receiving emergency medical treatment, the service member later was declared dead. Now, with this latest confirmation, the number of American troops killed in the recent conflict has climbed to 8. In the meantime, US officials say that these casualties occurred during active combat operations that are parts of larger military campaign. They are known as Operation Epic Fury, which by the way involves American forces responding to attacks and protecting their strategic installation across the Middle East. The attack itself, it highlights how widely the conflict is spreading now. American troops are stationed in several bases across the Gulf nation, many of which are used for surveillance, air operations. They are used for regional security mission. Iran has repeatedly warned that any US military presence supporting Israeli operations, it could become a target. And because of this, several American installations in the region, they have been placed on maximum alert with air defense system, by the way, activated and additional patrol deployed. In the meantime, ladies and gentlemen, Iranian officials claim that their retaliation campaign is still ongoing. Authorities in Tehran say that they have launched multiple waves of attacks, including drone and missiles aimed at strategic targets linked to Israel as well as the US. In fact, Iranian state media reported that the latest series of strike marks the 29th wave of operation since the conflict intensified. Video released by Iranian sources, they also appear to show missile launches, military preparation, though many of these claims, it cannot be independently verified, and that is very important in a war news. The whole region, it is now watching these developments with growing concern. That's right, countries across the Middle East, they have increased their security at military bases, airports, energy facilities. The whole region is home to several critical oil routes and strategic military positions, meaning that any prolonged conflict, it will affect the entire world, the global energy market. In simple terms, what started as a series of retaliatory strikes, it is now turning into a prolonged military confrontation, and it involves not just one, not two, but multiple countries, advanced weapons. In fact, thousands of troops stationed across the region. Now, with each new strike and every new casualty, the risk of the conflict expands into a much larger regional war that continues to grow. And sadly, along with the US soldiers, there were Saudi soldiers also that were killed. Though Saudi Arabia has not yet responded to all those deaths till now, but what if they retaliate? Well, it will definitely be a much bigger war.